Today is day one of many installs we have planned for my STI here. Today we're going to be installing these Tomioka or Tomioka Racing, however you guys want to call it. They're a secondary air pump delete kit they make for the EJ25 here. Now, before we get going into today's install, I do want to go over a couple things. Do you guys remember this thing? This is the barometric pressure sensor that I told you guys we're going to be keeping. So this past weekend at home, what I ended up doing was grabbing my rotary tool and I cut all the way around the sensor because this thing is important, and the rest of the module I just ended up throwing away. Afterwards, I ended up putting a different attachment on my rotary tool and just smoothing out the edges, just because I'm a bit of a perfectionist. Now make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video, because at the very end, to wrap up the install, we will be reinstalling this onto the car. And you'll notice the wiring that goes to the alternator here is super clean now. It's a lot less bulkier, and that's because I deleted this sensor here. This sensor goes to our secondary air pump that was attached to this harness here that runs all the way to the battery terminals in the back that go right here. And you'll notice the same theme on the left-hand side with this main harness over here. You'll also notice I cleaned a lot of the electrical connectors, such as this one, and the battery terminals here. They had a bunch of gunk, and essentially I just took a wire brush and cleaned them all up, and they look fantastic now. So I got this kit for 50 bucks, and it unfortunately had a $20 shipping charge on top of that, so all in I'm about $70, but it's a great kit. I will be dropping the link to this product specifically on Tomioka Racing's website in the description, just because it's getting harder and harder to find. So in the kit, you get the gaskets, the 2 Allen head bolts for the respective sides, and the deletes for the back of the heads, the driver and passenger side. I hate to say that installs are easy, especially because difficulty is so relative. However, this one is going to be very straightforward, just because the majority of the hard work needed to be done to do this install is done on the removal process. There's going to be many different variations of how you can do this. You can actually use the piping that you removed previously. You can get it cut and weld it off, and that way you just reuse the same thing you just took off. But in this case, I wanted to buy this kit just to make my life very straightforward and easy, so I did. But you're essentially going to get the gasket, the delete, and then thread those 2 bolts on each side into the back of the head, and you're pretty much done. Just make sure it's snug, secure, and that's pretty much it. Something worthwhile to mention, I did not record the passenger side just because, again, it is pretty much the same process as the driver's side here, and of course I didn't want to bore you guys. Now that we've installed the block off plates, the last thing we have to do with our barometric pressure sensor here is install electrical tape, because the last thing you want is to have these exposed prongs just hanging out in the engine bay. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly wrap this up, and then we are just about done. The last thing we have to do is reconnect our barometric pressure sensor with the harness itself. This harness is located in the back of the driver's side head area off this main harness. It has this very distinct purple color in case you guys are looking for it in your engine bay. This is going to wrap up the entire install for the secondary air pump delete, and I'm going to move this off to the side. But as I reinstall the rest of the parts for the STI, I will find the sensor a very nice home. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me install the secondary air pump delete kit. I am a big fan of super easy installs like that. And overall, I thought the removal process also wasn't bad either. Now, if this video helped you guys out in any way, please let me know by leaving me a like and leave me a comment down below. I try to read every single one of your guys' comments and reply to as many of you as possible. Now, we have a lot of other content coming up for the STI here. Right after this, we're getting into one of my most looked forward to installs. That doesn't even make sense, but I'm going with it. The Precision 58mm turbo. That thing is gonna look so nice in the engine bay. I personally am so freaking pumped and excited to install that thing. So if you guys are interested, please subscribe and look forward to more videos coming up on the channel. All right, I will catch you guys on the next one.